Hi viewers, I am Srinivasan again for you. Today the topic is asteroid impacts. Um, how it will be when an asteroid impact a planet, and our Earth is also a planet which is also vulnerable for the space rocks out there, the attack. So, in which way it is to come to Earth? There are two big reasons. One is gravitational pull of our own Earth itself, and the next is the revolving orbit slowly, used to go around and errorfully come into the Earth itself. So there are two big reasons, as I told. Whatever may be the reason, but our Earth is vulnerable uh, per some millions of years. Science is telling that once in 20 million years, approximately, there is a big catastrophic asteroid impact event. So in such event, after that event, lots of biodiversity, lots of species or extinct altogether from this Earth's surface. There are five different extinction already been happened in our Earth millions of years ago. We have to be very serious about this because almost 65 million years ago, the last big extinction event happened and wiped about some more than 95% of species from the Earth itself. How this catastrophic happens? One asteroid the size of approximately 10 kilometer hit on the near the South Pole, near the Amazon basin now, uh, named as Amazon basin now, but those 65 million years ago it was totally different Earth. So the satellite imaging found that there is a scar, big scar, of course, like something like this, right? It's a big scar on the Earth's profile. So, scientific analysis are confirming in it that it is impact scar by a big asteroid. So, the after that, different disciplined scientists have analyzed it and found it majority of the determinations telling that it is due to the asteroid impact and the dinosaur went away due to this particular impact. So many more imaging of the Earth from the satellites proves that there are many more bigger, still more bigger craters or their scars. Crater means what? Scar due to the impact. So many more are also there which tell us the vast history of the Earth itself. So as science is telling, once in 20 million years, this type of impacts are happening. But the five impact event, it was a very big impact event, and between that event, many more events also might have happened, and per several million years also impacts are also happened, perhaps even thousands of years between impacts have also happened. One more thing, there are many civilizations have went away from the earth forever, like Maya civilization, Egyptian civilization, Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, and scientists are telling that this may be these types of civilization gone due to drought, extended period of rainfall failure, or climatic event, floods, or many more reasons they are telling. But obviously, at least any one or few civilization might have perished due to this type of asteroid impacts. These five impact, as I have told already, five big extinction events where more than 90% of species perished from this planet are very big events, and the events happening continuously per thousands of years, per millions of years in between big events are also continuously happening. So man of course evolved some 3 lakh years ago, or perfectly telling the prehistoric man evolved between 3 million years and you know before ice age. So it is not perfectly pinpointed. Science is telling that uh, human modern human evolved some 3 lakh years ago. So modern humans means civilization, and these civilization also ended, right? So these might have gone by these smaller impacts. Some of the civilization, not necessarily all, as scientists are telling, that may be due to prolonged drought also. So as today, how the impacts happen, the velocity of the stone, that is the asteroid, the size of the asteroid, the composition of asteroids, and the angle of impact. The four factors are very important to determine how massive, destructive the events will be. Suppose if you take, this is the earth, right? This is the earth. Suppose if the asteroid is coming this side and impacting this side, and automatically the other side will be safer. That doesn't mean that it's totally safer. The speed of the asteroid approximately determined, calculated as 11 kilometer to 17 kilometer per second. Imagine the speed per second, 17 kilometers. Imagine the speed. So when it hit the planet right here, it, if the asteroid is metallic based, it may penetrate like a gun's bullet inside the planet itself and travel thousands of kilometers deeper inside. And it may break the mantle which holds beneath the magma itself with pressure, will come out like anything and inject into the space itself, the magma, the lava. And it may, there are many, Mars meteorites found in Earth. There are more lunar meteorites found in Earth. Due to same like this happened in Earth also, right? So there may be some Earth meteorites in Mars and Earth meteorites even in our moon also. So such a big event happened. How the shock to the entire system of Earth, right? So when it impacts here, this portion will be a bit safer. The shock wave will travel altogether towards the other side also. So the heat developed here will also develop, engulf all the area. And underneath the vulnerable fault area means I already told, two tectonic plates meet each other and the gap is called as fault area, where underneath the pressurized magma, lava, liquid will come out from that as volcanoes. So wherever the faulty areas are there altogether in the planet's surface will burst out with volcanoes spewing out gases, toxic gases, dust, smoke. The entire atmosphere of the earth will be grey black in color. The sunlight will be blocked for decades, and as soon as the impact, slowly the massive organisms and the uh, organisms of top food chain, top, which are all the top predators that will die first, second the second predators, like that all the predators will die first, then the herbivores will die again, and the smaller herbivores, then the herbs, plants, everything will die off due to the less sunlight. then slowly, you know, the planet will, you know, hold almost very, very less species, that to saprophytic species feeding on dead organic matter. Right. These species also start to die due to the depletion of such organic matter also. And the basic highly evolved bacteria, viruses, and saprophytic or stronger organisms will thrive, not here but the other end. Okay, but the other end. So some stronger organism may also thrive here, saprophytic organism, which when the earth settled with all the dust, all toxic gases, everything, in 50 to 100 years, it will settle due to the gravity slowly, and the sunlight slowly penetrate into the system. Algae used to develop, and again the evolution happened, and the plant kingdom also used to develop from this end towards this end, and the animals also from this remaining animals evolve, start to evolve and catch the niches available food from here towards the entire earth. So recently scientists have found that due to these types of mass extinction event, variety of organisms and biodiversity flourished in the planet. Yes, obviously. When the planet is not disturbed, the biodiversity story is stable, right? Each predator will have specific prey, and each herbivore will have a certain specific plants to be fed, and a stable story. When there is a loss in biodiversity, new stories will be created and innovative organisms are produced with different sort of locomotion, different sort of to occupy different sort of niches. Niches means available space to get food, right? So the entire globe will get different evolutionary story for different variety of organism next time. So this like 5 different evolution happen in our planet with variety of organisms dying and starting again with newer species. Now we are the dominant species in the earth next to dinosaurs 65 million years ago. So dinosaur perished, and what about us? We have to be here long, okay? Centuries to come, millenniums to come. Let us pray God no such event should happen to our planet, Earth. It's a beautiful planet. Okay. Pray to God, the Creator. Please God, no such big event should happen in our civilization. Okay, thank you viewers. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button also. And please comment us what you need to put in my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye.